Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you instead Boba Kit black tea litter flavor tastes good. I'd like to show you. Okay, this is a instant Boba Kit. Oh, fun, chewy, delicious, and say tone one. Look at that. Take a look at that real bubble inside. Look at that. See that? Black tea litter flavor right here. Take a look at that right here. Take a look at that right here. Let me see here. See that you tell what you do is a step-by-step right here. See that? Okay. It's inside the box right here. See that? And this is a package right here. See that? Let's say black tea right here. See that? And now I open it right here. See that? It's a powder. It's a powder right here. See that? I'm gonna pour right here. Now wash. Okay, I got powder right here. I'm gonna pour right here. Okay. Let me see here. Yes. They say 3 ounce it. And look at that, a 7 ounce it. See that? Okay, this is inside the right here. See that? The bag is open. So you see that? I'm gonna squeeze right here. Right here. See that? Okay. There's a hot water right here. I'm gonna pour it and wash. So a little bit right here. See that? I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna stir right here. See that? Well, I'm gonna put an ice cube right here. I'm gonna put ice right here. See that? I'm gonna get some more ice cube for that. I'm gonna get a fill up the ice cube. Okay, I fill it up right here. Gonna put an ice right here. Just like that. I fill up the right here. Okay, I'm gonna stir up right here. I'm gonna stir. See that? You're gonna love that right here. You're gonna love that. Okay, let me taste it, baby. Let me taste it. There it is. Hang on. Let me taste it.
Oh, I don't want you to see that.
Mmm. Not bad. Tastes like black tea lit flavor. I like it, baby. I like it. Well, I hope you like my videos. I hope you like it. Well, maybe that's it.